Welcome back to Chip's Woodworking. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a product that I have been waiting for a couple years, and I finally pulled the trigger and ordered one. But there's a lot packed into this small package. And who's it from? None other than Savage Industries. You might be asking yourself, what do you need from Savage Industries? A bag, a shirt, stickers, badges? No, none of the above, except for stickers. Should be some stickers. Pull out our trusty Klein tools. Got this from Lowe's. Link in my bio if you guys are interested. This is a great knife. Oh man, I can see it from here. Wow. I love shop aprons, and that's what I've ordered. Let's get this thing out of the box here. There's some other things in here we'll get to in a minute, but the star of the show is this. Oh my gosh. Check that out. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. There we go. Now the true test. Let's see how it fits out of the box. I ordered the medium, just going off the sizes. So let's see if that fits. Oh yeah, much nicer. Oh, there's nothing better than a good quality shop apron. This, of course, has the split legs. You can't really see it because I'm behind this, but let's go out there and do some different shots. This is a split leg, so it's got little clips that you can wrap around. We, of course, are gonna have to tighten these guys up a lot. But I wanted a design like this because as we're turning, better to have it, I feel, wrapped around your leg versus something dangling down below. So we're gonna have to work on how loose. Do both sides here. Oh yeah, there we go. So when they are wrapped around your leg, it does kind of tighten it up on the front. My previous apron was from Cat's Moses Tools, quality apron. I just didn't like the fact that it was always flapping out on me, and the pockets up top seemed, I always was dropping tools out of it. This one feels more like a proper outfit that I'm supposed to wear. Like I said, this is the medium. I am about 5'10", 5'11" on a good day. So medium fits me perfectly. I think a large would have been way too big, but if you were a much taller person, large is the way to go for you. I'll have a link to Savage Industries down below, and like I said, I paid for this with my own money. Gladly would pay it again. This is very nice. One thing I did want is we use this little tiny carbide easy cut tools a lot, and it will be nice just to have that at my leg, just ready to go as we're turning on the lathe. I can just easily pull it out. Is it a big deal? No, it just saves half a second from turning around to the wall. It's just something that I've always wanted. Pay homage to Adam Savage and this great piece of kit. I, like him and Dave Fogler, love the Papermate Sharp Rider as a pencil. And it's only fitting that the first tool I put in my brand new apron is a Sharp Rider pencil. I can't wait to kit this out with some other everyday wood turning things that we use. This is gonna help protect our clothes. We have been ruining a lot of clothes. I don't really worry about the chipswoodworking.com clothes. We can always get more of those. But there are some other outfits that I don't wanna, ruin with finishes and stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give you a 360 turnaround here. I can't wait to work in this thing. Oh my gosh. I've never been more excited for a piece of shop clothing than I am right now. All right, I'll talk to you guys next time. If you're interested, like I said, links will be down in the description. As always, there's also a link in my bio that takes you to anything that we offer, affiliate link wise or not. This is not an affiliate. paid for this with my own money. Adam Savage, thank you for making such a fantastic apron. I will take care of it and use it well, my friend. All right, the apron is so nice. But let's see what else we got in here. I mentioned earlier that there are stickers, and I ordered the workshop machine label stickers. These, I saw the video of when Adam was making them. Just something about these stickers I just can't wait to put on machines in the shop. Do you love some good stickers? One more thing in the box. You know what it is? Stop right now. Leave a comment. Take a guess. What do you think's left in the box? Did you leave your guess? If you said it's a Savage Industries tape measure, then you're correct. Now this, only reason I got this is I feel like it's not gonna be around much longer. They had a limited supply, but oh my God. It's so nice. It's got a leather case. What? Oh my, all right. So the case is just wrapped around the tape measure, and then you squeeze the center and it comes back in. Got metric on one side, imperial on the other. This will be a great addition just to leave in the pocket. That way I always have something to reach in and just measure while we're turning on the lathe. This might be the nicest addition to my shop since the lathe. I love it. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. If you're not already following us along and you're into woodworking, wood turning, just overall anything that has to do with the craft of woodworking, and also traveling. In 2026, we're gonna be doing some traveling and posting videos up here on the channel. So if you wanna follow us along and see where we go the rest of the year, hit that follow button, and we'll see you guys next time. Talk to you later. Bye. I feel like I've just been grinning the whole time. This thing is so nice. Oh my gosh.